Let's check out how we can use NotebookLM to summarize documents as well as produce an audio overview like a podcast. So I've already downloaded or uploaded rather the kindergarten document from Ontario. So I'm going to click on that. You can see the sources here and I can select any of these. So if I go ahead and select the mind map, it will take a minute, but it will generate a mind map about this kindergarten document from 2016. It's being updated as we speak by the Ministry of Education of Ontario. So I'll click on that just to take a look. So there you can see a number of key ideas produced in this mind map. But my favorite thing to use with NotebookLM is the audio overview. So I have already clicked on this audio overview icon and it generated an AI podcast. So let's take a listen for a little bit.
It's so much more than that, isn't it?
Right.
Remember kindergarten? Finger painting, building blocks, maybe even a nap or two.
Mm-hmm.
But have you ever wondered what really goes on in those classrooms today? What's changed? What's stayed the same? And why should we care?
Well, you sent us this fascinating document, the kindergarten program for Ontario.
Oh, yeah.
And we're going to...
So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to ask it a question midway through. And of course, you can type in questions about the document and NotebookLM will generate an answer based on the source that you have uploaded into this space. And you can have a number of different sources, but in this case, I just have one source. So if I were to type a question, it would answer it based on this source. It's very helpful. But I'm going to actually interject partway through this podcast and ask a question using my mic.
We're going to take a deep dive right into the heart of it, explore.
Remember kindergarten, finger painting, building blocks, maybe even a nap or two. But have you ever wondered what really goes on in those classrooms?
So I'm going to click
today?
join.
Oh, wait. Someone wants to join. Hey, go for it.
Hi, I'm just wondering, how much is play-based a key component of this kindergarten curriculum?
That is a fantastic question.
And we are so glad you asked.
Okay, let's unpack this right now.
You've hit on the central pillar of this program.
When we look at this document, play-based learning is everywhere.
It's not just a suggestion, it's foundational.
The program is explicitly described as a safe and caring play-based environment.
And the document states that global research confirms play-based learning is a focal point.
It has proven benefits for...
Okay, so what I like to do is download the podcast and then email it to myself, and then I can listen to it when I'm driving or when I'm running or when I'm doing housework. And I find that really gives me a good picture of what's the document is about. Now, it doesn't necessarily give you all of the information, and it's not always 100% accurate, but it provides you with an overview. So if this is an article or a document that maybe you knew a lot about before and you just need a refresher, or maybe this is your first time reading the article, just listening to this first prior to reading it will help you really hone in on the key parts of the article that you're looking for. And it also lets you know if the article is relevant to your research.